System is rigged. Today I will show you how I got robbed of 15,000 without a gun in a hospital. It started as of a simple pain in my abdomen, and thinking it was too much, I went to a big hospital thinking that the price would be just 2 or 3k max. But I spent a total at least 16,000 that day on my credit card, with scans including checkup and to registration fee for the hospital that I was being there for the first time. That's why I had to pay 250 rupees just for registration so that I can affiliate with them. And I really think it was just for the files. Continue to the video. I'll lay on more details how common people as us are being robbed systematically by the system designed for the common people. Really think the healthcare system is nothing about health anymore. It is just about profits, nothing else. Everybody is there to make a profit, nothing else. No one cares. The facilities are there because we have money and nothing else. If common people like us, it is a system designed for the rich, but common people like us who aren't rich yet, who are trying to be rich yet, that excellent healthcare is not for us. I repeat again, excellent healthcare is not for us. It is only meant for the rich and for the rich only. And let me tell you, if you aren't prepared for this system, I'll tell you, they will make you poor in just one operation, one admission in the hospital, and one visit to the hospital. And I can't think even of the daily wage workers who do not get exposed to the facilities of the best healthcare system. This is the story of private hospitals today. Stay tuned to listen more and how we can beat this system today. Come to think of this, so the system is rigged. And this is what people like Andrew Tate talk about. This guy, you might know him, the most Google man, talked about this. This is what this guy talks about. Andrew Tate, most Google man on earth. You go to school, get a job, get a degree, pay taxes. When you fall sick, you pay again. There is a cycle here. Please stay with me, I'll explain you. And if you can't pay, well, die. They have created a system where you are on always an edge, where there is no financial freedom, no healthcare safety net, no security, and no job security even after that, and no mental peace. One emergency and your life might turn. One hospital admission and your life might turn. It will save you, not the police, no one else. Only you can save yourself by understanding the system and getting the upper hand. What you need is a mindset shift, nothing else. A small mindset shift will put you in made of life very far that you can't even imagine. A small change, a small improvement day by day will put you in life a lot ahead. That day in the hospital, I walked out of with two things, an empty wallet and a full mind of thoughts. And then and there I knew I need finances, I need second income, I need insurance, I need safety nets, I need a lot of money. That was the only thought that I was carrying that day at hospital. Not for luxury, but just for survival. And in today's rising prices, job is not survival. 3 years ago, job might have been a survival strategy, but today it is not. Today businesses, today second incomes are very important. Today the prices are very high. Today everything is costly. Not even you can eat good food without spending a lot of money or even a person's daily wage. You need at least, and if you are in tier 1 cities like Mumbai and Pune, you are screwed. Because if you are earning enough just to survive, it is not enough. Survival is not enough in today's days. If you build wealth, if you build skills, if you build money, and if you really understand how money moves, you will own your time, you will have your power, you will have everything. And here are the following things that you definitely need. A health insurance that can save you from a disaster. Emergency fund, at least 500 per month will put you ahead by 6,000 in a year. High income skills, digital marketing, freelancing, YouTubing, Instagram, influencer, trading, investing, understanding money. Read, watch, learn, understand, think. This is the all required to understand money. And multiple income streams. Don't rely on one job. That is very dangerous. You don't have to be a millionaire. Just multiple income streams to pay off everything and be in surplus so that when time comes, you can fight the bad times. The system is rigged. It counts on you on being asleep, on being careless, on being ignorant and being lazy. Once you wake up, you will stop being the victim. You will stop being depressed and you will have a lot of money and even God knows luxury. If you ever felt like you are just surviving, you are not living, my friend. And if you are watching this video, you have been very lucky. You have been chose to woken up. But now it is your responsibility to be out, to be not the victim, to be on the above the system, to earn more money and to gain more skills. The system is designed to keep you obeying, paying and sleeping. And if you want a video how to build an emergency fund, how to select insurance, how to gain high income skills, drop a comment below and I'll definitely make a video on the above topic. Till then, watch the sea.